Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the gold tariff rate quota (TRQ) allocation process under the India-UAE Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement (CEPA) for the financial year 2025 to 26. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about applying for the TRQ, including eligibility criteria, bidding procedures, and key deadlines. The India-UAE CEPA provides preferential tariff access for importing gold from the UAE under the TRQ mechanism, allowing eligible businesses to benefit from Concessional Basic Customs Duty (BCD). This initiative aims to promote trade facilitation and strengthen economic ties between India and the UAE. Here's what we'll cover in this video. What is gold TRQ under India-UAE CEPA? Overview of the CEPA agreement and its benefits for gold importers. Annual TRQ quantity and concessional duty rates. Eligibility criteria. Who can apply for the TRQ? Requirements for micro and small enterprises, MSEs, including hallmark registration, GST registration, and valid import-export code, IEC. Bidding process. Step-by-step guide to registering on the MSTC portal. How to submit the technical and financial bids. Details about the price bucket system and bid security requirements. Key dates and deadlines. Important dates for bid submission, technical bid opening, and TRQ allocation. What happens if you miss the deadlines? Compliance and penalties. Rules for submitting accurate information and avoiding fraudulent practices. Consequences of non-compliance, including bid cancellation and penalties. Tips for successful bidding. How to prepare for the e-auction process. Importance of conducting market research and understanding international gold prices. Post-bid process. Steps to follow after being declared a successful bidder. Filing TRQ applications and payment of bid amounts. This video is perfect for businesses looking to take advantage of the TRQ allocation for gold imports under the India-UAE CEPA. We'll simplify the process and provide actionable insights to help you navigate the tender process smoothly. If you face any issues related to indirect tax, customs, GST and foreign trade policy, contact us on the details given in the bio.